Hi viewers, welcome you all from Veggie Recipes Vlog Spot. Today we are going to show you how to prepare ginger chutney. Ingredients for ginger chutney: around 150 grams of ginger, small piece of tamarind, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon mustard, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri Chilli powder, small piece of jaggery, 1 tablespoon of roasted gram, and required oil. So we peel the skin of ginger and we cut into small pieces. Keep the pan in flame, adding little gingelly oil. You have to use sesame seed oil for this. I'm going to add the mustard. Now the ginger. So I have one more ginger chutney in my channel. You can check that one also. This is little bit different. It's different ingredients. We have to cook the ginger till it turns to light white color. So we're going to add the roasted gram and tamarind, salt, so we're going to add the red chili powder. We're going to switch off the flame and add the Kashmiri chili powder. Keep the mixture to cool. The ingredients are cooled now. We are transferring that to blender jar. It's very good for digestion, this chutney. Add little water, then the jaggery. We have to add the jaggery at this stage. So grind it again. Yeah, we have grinded everything. That's it. The ginger chutney is ready. We're going to transfer this one to the bowl. It is very good for digestion. You can use this one along with idli, dosa, everything. We have one more chutney on my channel for ginger itself, so you can check that one also. Ginger chutney from Veggie Recipes Blogspot, just for you. Enjoy. If you like my video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.